it's Jessica from Fairy Dust and Dishes and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you an unboxing of the FabFitFun box. I did get this a few days ago and I apologize that I haven't gotten it till then, but I wanted to make sure the lighting was right and I actually had time to sit down and do it. But I do not know what's in here. I was lucky enough that a few of you guys used my referral code and I got this for more than half off. So thank you guys so much for using it. I will put in the description box my referral code for this and you can get $10 off your first box. So it's well worth using the link. And again, the more you guys use my referral codes, I can do stuff like this, all these unboxings and fun stuff for you guys. So let's get to it. I have no idea what's in here. You can upgrade, I think, to be in this elite thing. It costs more money, but you can pick what's in it. But part of this, the fun of this is the surprise. So in it comes these little info cards. And then this is what it looks like. I'll try and hold it up for you. And I'm actually impressed with the packaging this time because last time the box was almost like a coloring book where you could color on it. So this is a little bit different. The first thing I see is the Dr. Brandt Microderm Abrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. You guys see that? I've used this brand before for certain things, so I will definitely give this a shot. So it says it polishes away dead skin or dead cells and leaves you with a bright, smooth, healthy looking skin. This retails by itself for $79, and I think this is a full size, to be quite honest. So this is usually $79. The box itself, I think, is $40. So that's already like paying for itself right there. The next thing I see is this Rosarco, the Rosarco Milk Reparative. Sorry, I'm probably really butchering this name. Leave-in conditioning spray. So it's what does it have? Rosehip, argan, and coconut oils to improve hair softness, strength, and moisture levels while acting as a barrier against heat. And then this retails for $20. I do use a leave-in conditioner. There's a different brand I use, but I've never seen this one, so I will definitely give it a shot. And this, again, looks like a full-sized bottle. So retails for $20. All right, the next thing in here, it says it's Love AJ, and let's see what's in here. It is the Diamond, you guys see, the Diamond Kite Crawler earring set. This retails for $85. And it says to wear these one at a time. So if you look on the back, it's a little different. So I'm interested to try these. I do love earrings, as you guys can tell. I usually have a pair in. And if I don't, my daughter definitely points it out to me. So that's cute, and I like the pouch that it comes in. So I'll definitely get some wear out of these. And I like the rose gold. I don't own a lot of rose gold, so that's interesting. Then the next is Women Rule the World. Is lip kit in deep red, deep nude, or neutral pink. So let's open it. This is what it looks like when you open it. And I like that it has stuff on here. So looks like I got the color Lady Love. And I'll do, this is the lip gloss. I'll do just a quick swatch so you guys can see. This is kind of a nicer color. Can you guys see? Definitely a nicer color. I would wear this. This is a wearable shade. Then This looks like it's liquid lipstick. I don't have liquid lipstick. Wait, is that the lip gloss or the lipstick? I have no idea. No, so this is the liquid lipstick that I had put on before. That's not lip gloss. So this is actually the lip gloss, so. Looks like it'd make a nice topper with it. They'd go together. You guys see shimmering a little bit? With my skin tone, it wouldn't be too bad, actually. And then a lip liner. And I'll do that. So it looks like these can all be worn together. So very pretty. I'm gonna go wipe this off really quick so that it doesn't get everywhere. I'll be right back. All right, well that must be a good quality liquid lipstick because it's still on my hand. So, all right, next thing is Emerald DUV. And this is a Joshua Tree cage bracelet. For some reason it says or, I got both. This retails for $80. Oh, and the lipstick trio retailed for $48. So these are all really good deals. And the Deborah Lippmann nail polish. It looks like these are the Blue Orchid, Like a Virgin colors. No. Yeah, Like a Virgin and Blue Orchid. So those are pretty wearable colors. These sell for $19. I don't own a lot of blue in that, so that'll be interesting. Then what is this? This is the Karuna Hydrating Plus Face Mask. And so this is made out of 100% natural wood pulp fiber. It's a single-use mask that allows pores to fully absorb essential nutrients and nourishing ingredients for ultimate hydration. So this retails for $28. And if you see what it looks like, I've never used a mask like this, so that should be interesting. Can you guys see that? So definitely something to do here in the winter as the spring is coming. Get some use out of that. This is the Gypsy Roundy. Whether you're headed to a picnic, the beach, or springtime concert. So it looks like it is a beach blanket. Let's open it and see. Blue. So it's kind of a, oh no, never mind. It's a little bit thicker material. And then this is the pattern on the front. And then it's got these fringes. So it's like a circular thing. Actually, we might get some use out of this summer. Might be something nice to have in the car. Actually, this would be really good to have in the car. So, very nice quality blanket. Or that retails for $50. Here's kind of like the pattern they show. So it's a circular blanket. Then this isn't in here, but I've seen these at the store. These are the hair, skin, and nail gummies. I've never used these. Apparently they work really well. And I actually would like to use these right now. But I can't. I'm taking prenatal vitamins. I'm not pregnant, but I just never stopped taking them after I had my daughter because we were going to have more kids. We're not actively trying, so maybe I'll give these a shot till we start trying again. Interesting. I'll have to look up the reviews on this. I don't know the reviews of how well they work. I've heard people say they work well, but we shall see. And then the last thing I got is a Millie zip pouch that says Hot Mess. Hot Mess. This is a water-resistant bag, and actually this will be nice like if we go to a pool, or we don't really have beaches here in Wisconsin, but if we go to the pool this summer, we go on vacations, this would be nice. And actually a hot mess is what I am. No, just kidding. So very cute. Let me open it. open it and see inside. Definitely roomy. You could definitely put like your cell phone in here and other things you don't want to get wet. And then it comes with a nice string. So that is everything in my FabFitFun box. So it says the total retail value of the box is anywhere from $369 to $374. So about $370-ish that the box would retail for if you bought everything separately. So it's a great deal, you guys, and it's a seasonal box, so it only comes, I think, 4 times a year. So this is my second box. So very great deal, you guys. I love everything. I will give everything a shot. Definitely impressed. I'll keep subscribing to this. So if you guys have any questions, leave your comments in the comment section below. I will leave a link to my referral code in the description box. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I upload 3 to 4 times a week. Weekly vlogs are always uploaded on Monday. And yeah, that's about it. So thank you guys for stopping by. Give this video a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos like this, and I will see everyone next time. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.